Hello everyone and welcome back to another one of my videos. Today let us create a card which is so simple and clean and easy to mass produce, perfect for cards for any occasion. Well, before we get started, I would really appreciate if you could take a minute to subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you get notified each time I post a new video. Let's get started. I will be using these flowers and leaves that I created in my free time using the Build a Flower Torch Ginger stamp set and die by Altenew. I used my Simon's stamp Pawsitively saturated ink trios to create these leaves and flowers. I have a video where I show you how to mass produce these. Check out the link to that in my description box below. I have this A2 size panel here. I trimmed it down a little using my Spellbinder's A2 size nesting dies. I plan to use an embossing folder for some texture to my background. I like to trim my panels before using the embossing folders on them. Here I am using the Simon's Stamp Lumen embossing folder, which is detailed and an ultra thick folder, creating deeply etched designs for a truly dimensional effect. I plan on creating a little bouquet of flowers for my card front. I have these 4 gorgeous colors of flowers. The positively saturated inks are perfect for any kind of stamping. Well, before I set up my bouquet, I first went ahead and adhered the embossed panel onto a black top folding card base using some strong double-sided tape. Now we can arrange these flowers and leaves. I used the Simon's Stamp Craft Tacky glue to stick my leaves, and for the flower, I thought of adding some dimension to it. I used a lot of foam tape and stuck it in between the leaves. A quick tip here, always use some liquid glue on your foam tapes. This gives some time and wiggle room before you can finally stick your images down on your card fronts. I added some shine on my bouquet using the Spectrum Noir glitter brush pen. Well, at this point, I thought I needed more florals. So I took the smaller flower from another stamp set. It's from the Flowering Cistus stamp set by Altenew. I stuck it below the big flower using the Simon's Stamp Craft Tacky glue. I will leave this card as is without any kind of sentiments. This would be perfect for a birthday, anniversary, thank you, or even a sympathy card. Well, here's a look at the finished card. I love how simple it is. Let us now work on the envelope. Initially, I thought that I would be using matching color envelopes, but later went on using a plain white envelope for our cards today. I used the same ink color trio set, and using the darkest shade of orange, I stamped the flower outline on my envelope. I also did the same for a white card panel that would go for the inside of our card. Using some strong double-sided tape, I stuck the inside panel. I used some Nuvo Drops to embellish my card front, and with that we have an easy and simple card ready. All we need is a little sentiment strip to go with it. I had so much fun creating this card. I hope you had fun watching it too and got inspired. This is a very simple card that can be easily mass produced with all the colors of flowers that you have. Well, all the supplies can be found linked in the description box below. I hope you had fun watching today's video and got inspired. I would love for you to become a subscriber to my channel, and if you do subscribe or are already a subscriber, please make sure to hit the bell icon so that you don't miss the next time I post. Hit the like button and let me know in the comments down below if you have any ideas or suggestions. Also, if you'd like to share your creations with me on Instagram, tag me on Instagram at rp_shutterbug. There's a link to that in the description box below. Thank you again for joining me today. Until next time, stay safe.